Welcome to As Draw Art. Today, I'm doing something very special. I've taken a real photo of Officer Judy Hopps and tried my best to transform it into a beautiful digital art piece. Digital art takes a lot of time and patience, but I enjoyed every second of painting this. I tried to capture her spark and energy in every stroke. I hope you all love the final result as much as I loved creating it. Which one do you prefer? The real photo or my digital version? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and rate this transformation from 1 to 10. Support my art journey, like and follow As Draw Art. Thank you for watching and being part of my creative world.